Do you ever find yourself dreaming of early retirement, where your days are spent sipping pina coladas on a sun-kissed beach instead of being chained to a desk? Can you imagine the freedom of pursuing your passions, travelling the world, or simply enjoying quality time with your loved ones without worrying about money? Well, my friend, you're not alone. Early retirement is a dream shared by many, but the path to achieving it can often seem elusive. That's where Dave Ramsey's proven method for early retirement comes into play. In this captivating journey, we'll explore Ramsey's time-tested strategies, unveiling the secrets of financial independence and the freedom to live life on your terms. The wake-up call. Imagine waking up one day to find yourself drowning in debt. With mounting bills and a bleak financial future, this was Dave Ramsey's reality, and in his journey to early retirement began with a wake-up call. He asked himself the hard-hitting questions that many of us avoid. What does financial freedom mean to me? How can I break free from the chains of debt? By sharing his struggles and vulnerability, Ramsey creates a relatable connection with his audience, encouraging them to take the first step towards their financial awakening. The baby steps. With a renewed sense of purpose, Ramsey introduces his renowned baby steps. These 7 progressive stages are the foundation of his proven method for early retirement. Through engaging storytelling, he walks his audience through each step, providing clear instructions and sharing real-life examples of individuals who have successfully implemented these strategies. From saving for emergencies and paying off debts to investing for the future, Ramsey's baby steps provide a roadmap to financial security and a shortcut to early retirement. The power of intentional living. Retirement isn't just about money, it's about designing a life you love. In this chapter, Ramsey emphasizes the importance of intentional living. He encourages the audience to envision their ideal retirement lifestyle and reverse engineer their financial goals accordingly. By aligning your spending habits with your values, you can optimize your savings and accelerate your journey to early retirement. Ramsey's relatable anecdotes and thought-provoking questions challenge readers to redefine their relationship with money and prioritize what truly matters. The investment mindset. While saving is crucial, investing is the key to building wealth and securing a comfortable retirement. Ramsey demystifies the world of investments, debunking common myths and guiding the audience towards smart long-term choices. He highlights the power of compound interest and explains how even small contributions can grow into substantial wealth over time. Drawing from his extensive experience and expertise, Ramsey shares investment strategies, empowering readers to make informed decisions and maximize their wealth-building potential. The legacy of giving. True fulfillment lies in making a positive impact on others. Ramsey believes that generosity is a core principle of financial success. In this final chapter, he explores the significance of giving and the role it plays in shaping a purposeful retirement. By sharing stories of individuals who have made a difference through philanthropy, Ramsey inspires his audience to embrace a spirit of abundance and create a lasting legacy beyond their own lives. Overcoming obstacles. In every journey, there are bound to be obstacles along the way. Ramsey understands this and dedicates a chapter to addressing the common challenges that arise on the path to early retirement, from unexpected expenses to job loss to market downturns and self-doubt. He offers practical advice and shares inspiring stories of individuals who have overcome adversity. Through his engaging storytelling, Ramsey encourages readers to persist in the face of challenges, reminding them that setbacks are not permanent roadblocks but temporary detours on the road to financial freedom. Creating a supportive network. No journey is meant to be travelled alone, and the same applies to the pursuit of early retirement. In this chapter, Ramsey highlights the importance of building a supportive network of like-minded individuals who share your financial goals. Whether joining online communities, attending financial seminars, or finding an accountability partner, surrounding yourself with people who understand and support your aspirations can greatly enhance your chances of success. Living well in retirement. Early retirement isn't just about reaching a financial goal, it's about enjoying the fruits of your labour and living a fulfilling life once you've retired. In this chapter, Ramsey delves into various aspects of living well in retirement, including maintaining good health, nurturing relationships and finding purpose beyond work. He shares insights from retirees who have successfully transitioned into a meaningful and enjoyable post-work life, providing inspiration and guidance on how to make the most of your newfound freedom. Adapting to changing times. The world is constantly evolving, and adapting to these changes is crucial to secure a successful retirement. In this chapter, Ramsey discusses the importance of staying informed about economic trends, fluctuations and technological advancement. He encourages readers to be proactive in adjusting their financial strategies as needed, ensuring that their retirement plans remain relevant and resilient. Leaving a lasting legacy. Ramsey explores the concept of leaving a lasting legacy. Early retirement isn't just about personal financial freedom, it's an opportunity to make a positive impact on future generations. Ramsey shares stories of individuals who utilize their resources and time to create a meaningful legacy, whether through charitable endeavors, educational initiatives, or environmental conservation. He inspires readers to consider how they can use their wealth and expertise to leave a lasting mark on the world. By emphasizing the importance of stewardship and giving back, Ramsey encourages his audience to embrace a sense of purpose beyond their own financial goals. Navigating life transitions. Life is full of transitions, and retirement is just one of them. In this chapter, Ramsey addresses the various life transitions, from marriage and starting a family to unexpected health challenges or loss. He provides practical guidance on navigating these transitions while staying on track towards financial independence. Celebrating milestones and successes. Throughout the journey to early retirement, it's important to celebrate milestones and success along the way. In this chapter, Ramsey emphasizes the significance of recognizing and acknowledging the progress made. Whether it's paying off a significant debt, reaching a savings goal, or achieving successful investment, these moments deserve to be celebrated. Ramsey shares strategies for rewarding yourself without derailing your financial plan. Inspiring others. Having experienced the life-changing benefits of early retirement, Ramsey is passionate about inspiring others to follow in his footsteps. In this chapter, he discusses the importance of sharing knowledge and empowering others to take control of their financial futures. Ramsey encourages readers to become financial mentors and influencers, spreading the message of financial literacy and early retirement to their friends, family, and communities. Embracing the unexpected. Life is full of surprises, and the journey to early retirement is no exception. In this chapter, Ramsey delves into the importance of embracing the unexpected twists and turns that may arise along the way. He shares personal stories and anecdotes of individuals who have encountered unforeseen challenges such as job loss, economic downturns, or health issues. Cultivating a wealth mindset. True wealth extends beyond financial assets. It encompasses a mindset that fosters abundance and gratitude. In this chapter, Ramsey explores the power of cultivating a wealth mindset and its impact on the journey to early retirement. He delves into the importance of shifting one's perspective from scarcity to abundance, from fear to confidence. Conclusion. Dave Ramsey's proven method for early retirement encompass not only financial strategies, but also personal growth, resilience, and the ability to positively impact others. Through captivating storytelling and practical advice and a holistic approach, Ramsey equips readers with the tools and mindset necessary to achieve financial freedom and live life on their terms. So, are you ready to step into the transformative adventure and create a future of abundance, purpose, and true fulfillment?